Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Languages with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah, and in today's class we will learn about some common phrases in Italian. So let's begin. Andiamo. Ahead. Ahead in Italian is avanti. Avanti. Ahead, avanti. Behind, dietro. Behind in Italian is dietro. Next phrase is right. Right in Italian is destra. Destra. Left. Left in Italian is sinistra. Sinistra. Before. Before in Italian is prima. Prima. After. After in Italian is dopo. Dopo. Prima. Dopo. If you liked the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Next phrase is here. Here in Italian is qui or qua. There. There in Italian is li or la. Be careful. Be careful in Italian is stai attento. Be careful. Stai attento. Take your time. Ma non c'è fretta. Take your time in Italian is ma non c'è fretta. Repeat after me if you want. Stai attento. Ma non c'è fretta. Wait. Wait in Italian is aspetta. Aspetta. How disgusting. How disgusting in Italian is che schifo. Che schifo. Aspetta. Repeat after me if you want. Wait in Italian is aspetta. And how disgusting in Italian is che schifo. If you liked the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Thank you for watching. Ciao presto.